Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and something a little worrisome. I mean, these are things that happen and that you're kind of worried where it's all going to scale. It would seem that, according to Microsoft's own security teams, more and more of the hackers worldwide are using AI to make things easier. It would seem that at every level of hacking that they have to do, artificial intelligence is very good at helping them crack passwords, networks, all sorts of solutions. Apparently, AI, and as it's getting better, is also getting better at hacking all sorts of stuff. And it makes the hackers' life easier, and Microsoft is actually worried about that and says that there needs to be some very strong guidelines that have to be issued in order to have everybody stay safe. And there needs to be more education on how to stay safe, how things stay safe, including in IT networks, where they are seeing that a lot of the new guys coming into IT networks, especially for security, lack a lot of the knowledge required for AI type hackers. So this doesn't look good for the future. There's quite a few things that I've seen in the past few weeks concerning stories that have to do with technology and how AI is kind of screwing things up. Like I said, AI could be great. There's so many things that it does that could really help us, but it's also being used for bad stuff, and that is the worrying part of AI. So Microsoft, of course, says that we need to ramp up the education and the security in order to stay safe in this world where hackers are getting access to networks and access to what they want easily due to AI. So, what do you guys think about that? If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.